So a lot of people having confusion. Who will comes under developer team? Who will comes under operation team? You know, developer in developer side. So developer, build team, test team. These three comes under developer team. And also you have to remember this is comes under continuous integration. Continuous integration comes under developer team only. You have to remember that continuous integration, that complete tools, everything, it will comes under developer team only. So there you'll be having developer team, build team, testing team, like different teams will be there. Okay, you have to remember this. And of course, once completion of this course, you can understand easily what they are doing exactly. Of course, in this today's session also you can understand. In after this slide, you can understand about that. Okay, and operations team. Operations team, obviously, deployment team, maintenance team, and monitoring team will come. But this is comes under continuous deployment. Okay, what they are going to deploy, what they are going to maintain, and what they are going to monitor. Everything I'm going to let you know in coming slide.